Hiya folks, Amy here, and I have a lightning fast best wishes card to share with you. Now, this video is going to go so fast you can't even blink because it's going to be done before you know it. But I had to show you this new, it's actually old I think, but new to me, debossing folder from Altenew. It is called Modern Wishes, and here are a couple photos. So this literally came together in, I don't know, probably 2 minutes. Not even kidding. Like, it's ridiculous. So I die cut a panel of this really pretty metallic cardstock. I got it from, I don't know, I think Joanne. It's like a little 6x6 pad. I cut it down with that gorgeous stitched edge. That is a LDRS Creative. That's a small business in Michigan. And that's one of my favorite stitched edge die sets. But here I'm just lining it up in this debossing folder. So I think it might be categorized at the shop under 3D. It might be marginally thinner than the 3D folders, but you can see here that it really just presses down that circle portion and then it pops up the letters. So still kind of looks embossed to me. I guess it's technically debossed, but either way it's super cool and it was on clearance. So I will link it below if it's still available in the shop. But all I'm doing is smacking it on down. Just got some adhesive here. I'm putting it right on a card base, 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2, so it's US A2 size, and that's pretty much it. I decided to add a little bit of blingage. I got some, it's like an iridescent white sequin that I'm going to put down, but honestly, that's it, guys. I told you it was easy. I told you it was fast, right? Anyway, I'm going to put 3 sequins down on the top and 2 on the bottom, and how pretty would this be for a wedding card, or I don't know, maybe even a wedding shower, or I don't know. What else do you say best wishes for? Somebody please enlighten me, because I always think wedding, but I think it's got to be more versatile than that, right? So let me know in the comments, like, when you would say best wishes, when that's appropriate, because I'd like to know. So anyway, that's it. Super quick, easy, debossed card with metallic cardstock. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.